Welcome to Inside World Factories. Today we enter a real car manufacturing factory. Every car begins with raw steel and aluminum. Machines cut metal into precise shapes. Robots weld the car body with perfect accuracy. The car's skeleton takes its final form. Next, the body is prepared for painting. Multiple paint layers protect and style the car. The paint is dried using controlled heat. The engine is installed with precision tools. The interior brings comfort and technology inside. Advanced electronics power modern vehicles. Each car goes through strict quality checks. Water tests ensure zero leakage. Every car is road tested before delivery. The cars are now ready for the world. This is how cars are made in factories. Subscribe to Inside World Factories for more.